With the latest on the UAAP, the De La Salle Green Archers nabbed another win against UST Growling Tigers 94-87. Kevin Kiambao delivered a career-best performance in the game after leading Green Archers with 29 points. He also contributed 9 rebounds, 3 assists, and 1 steal. Before this match, the FEU Tamaraw snatched another victory against NU Bulldogs 65-58. Joric Bautista came through the clutch as he extended the Tamaraw's lead against NU with just 9.7 seconds remaining. Mo Konate also contributed 22 points, 13 rebounds, and 2 blocks to FEU's win. Di ba yung sa UST tsaka versus Lasal, medyo magandang laro daw yan.
Overtime daw, no?
Nag-overtime. Lamang daw ng 20, tapos nakahabol.
Hindi ko napanood, pero I read a lot yesterday na malaki na daw ang lamang ng una ng Lasal. And then, dumikit, bumulusok ang UST, pero they lost team sa end. Kasi 20 points ang hinahabol mo. So usually, yan, ano? Mapapagod ka talaga, mauubusan ka ng gas kasi nag-exert ka ng effort. Hindi biro ang mag-comeback sa 20 points.
Tsaka usually, di ba, pagka nag-overtime, yung usual na, kung sino yung lamang nung prior to that, usually yun yung nananalo pa rin.
What do you mean prior to that?
Hindi, kunya, di ba, lamang UST, lamang Lasal, tapos nakahabol si UST, tapos nag-overtime sila. Usually, pag nakikita ko yung ganyan, nananalo pa rin yung unang naging lamang.
Kasi, in other words, sinasabi mo kasi napapagod yung naghahabol. It depends. It doesn't really hold true. But you know, kasi this time...
But most of the time.
Some
instances. Sige, sabihin na, para pumayag ka na.
Usually kasi it favors the team that was leading all throughout. Kasi ang tendency ng team na naghahabol, napapagod, nang ubusan. Pagdating ng overtime, wala nang natira.
Yun.
Oo. We all know naman Lasal is a veteran team kasi they have Kiambao and the other players na medyong meron maturity na.
Yes. Alam mo na ba yung standing nila? Number 1 pa rin ang Lasal?
Number 1 ang Lasal ngayon. Oo. Okay. Of course. Of course.